MMP160, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Diana Kera Indoma. I'm 34 years old. I live in Zamora Street, Barangay Zone 6, Talisay City, Negros Occidental. I'm a high school graduate, but I have an experience in household work in the Philippines since May 2021 until 2022. I do cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes every day, and I have an experience in babysitter since July 2019 until 2021, sir. I do cleaning, cooking, bathing him, and playing him, and also taking care of him.
I see. So
I'm a parent.
you're from Occidental. How far to Manila? By plane?
Yes, sir.
1 hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have quite many kids. Who will take care of your children? You have 4 kids. Who will take care of them?
Sir. I have a 4 kids, sir. My husband, sir.
Husband take care?
Yes, sir. My husband.
Okay. So you say you work 3 years household worker, 1 year babysitter. You stay in or stay out?
Stay in, sir.
How many helper in the house?
One only, sir.
You are the
Me
only one?
only. Yes, sir.
Okay, the first job actually no kids, only adults. What did you do in the house?
I do cleaning, sir, cooking, bathing the children, cleaning him, washing and ironing, sir.
Okay, the second one, babysitter 1 year, you took care 3-year-old child, right? How do you take care of the child?
I do cleaning, sir, bathing, playing him, checking her diaper, and feeding him, sir.
Hmm. So can you take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir, only one.
What do you mean only one?
Only one baby, sir. I take by a babysitter.
But if the family have one baby and one 4 years old child, can you manage?
Yes, sir, I can manage.
Okay. So how to take good care of a baby?
By feeding, sir, by changing clothes, changing diaper, bathing him, and babysit, babysitting.
Hmm. If the baby keep crying, what should you check?
I'll, I ask him if she's hungry, checking her diaper, and check temperature, sir, if she had a fever.
Okay, I guess you cannot ask him, right? You know he's just a baby. You can feed him meal and see.
I'll check her temperature, sir, if she has a fever.
Yeah, sure. You check. So if he has fever, what should you do?
I tell my madam, sir, what medicine I need to take him.
Hmm. Sing a song to baby.
Yes, sir.
Sing a song to baby.
Yes, sir. Uh, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person, sir, and I'm willing to learn more. I'm a honest person for my employer, sir.
You have any tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, sir. Or more than, sir.
Hmm. Okay. If you take care young kids in Hong Kong, what can you teach them? I
Yes,
say,
sir.
if you take care young kids, say 5 years old, 7 years old, what can you teach them?
I teach I teach her assignments, sir, and her lessons, sir, in the class, sir.
Okay, how many children you can take care?
Two only, sir.
What age group you can take care?
5 years old, sir, or 2 years old baby, sir.
Okay, give a message to your future employer.
As a first-timer domestic helper, sir, I will do my best to prove that I'm a hardworking person and I'm willing to learn more and a honest person for my employer, sir. I hope you give me a chance to work in Hong Kong. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
MMB 160，我俾個 rating 係 A 嘅。佢33歲，年紀適中，咁4個細路，有負擔，啲細路都大㗎啦，由6歲到18歲，咁結咗婚嘅，有4年本地家傭，咁但係湊小朋友嘅1年到，咁但係佢自己有4個咧，所以湊小朋友嘅嘢對佢嚟講應該冇乜問題。咁佢英文都相當清楚流利，佢就比較高同埋瘦嘅5尺7寸，然後我再要睇下 medical report 佢有冇咁高先得。112磅，咁佢背景可以湊 baby 啦、小朋友啦、教功課啦，咁都幾和善有笑容，可以做2、3個合約。我俾個 rating 係 A 嘅。